Now, factors affecting tourism. Tourism means movement from one place to another place. Movement of persons. Yeah. Demand, transport, climate, landscape, history and art, culture and economy, homestay, so many things. Now, suppose in hilly areas, Simla, Dehradun, Ooty, or so many places, they are good places, but you don't want to go there. You are not interested. It's demand. Okay. Transport facility. Suppose you want to go Ooty. First of all, you think, is there transport facility, roads connectivity, railway connectivity, If transport facility is better, naturally you will like to go there. Okay. Next, climate. In summer seasons, people like to go in hilly areas, and in winter season, from Himalaya regions, people want to go in south area. Okay, this is climate. And then landscape. A person who is living in plain area, naturally he will like to go in mountain area, desert area, coast areas. And in other hand, the person who is living in mountain area, his or her choice will be plain area, coastal area, desert area. Okay. Now, history and art. Here you see a picture of Taj Mahal. Two great personalities are seen here in this picture. Okay. Why they come here to see Taj Mahal? The only answer is because Taj Mahal is a historical place. Thus, history and art affects tourism. Okay. The culture and economy. Culture also affects tourism. There is a new word, homestay. Generally, if you go anywhere, people like to live in hotels. But homestays also home away from home. They are not 5-star hotels, maybe, but in there are people of that area provide all type of facilities which we need. Now, important for competition, note down. Important for 12th class and in the same way important for competition. Here in Goa, heritage homes. Home stays called in Goa heritage homes. And same way, home stay is called in Karnataka Mediterranean and Coorg. In this picture, you see international tourism arrivals in 2017. In some places, you see 207 million here, 49%. Difference between tourism. While all these factors are affecting, where all these factors are in supporting, their tourism is in better.